Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 10 troubleshooting Face ID problem. Let's get started. Disassembling the phone. Face ID will work without front camera. Infrared camera and dot projector is necessary for Face ID. Now removing front camera panel. Not required to remove the battery. Now connect the dot projector flex to JCID programmer to test the Face ID chip.
Yeah, dot projector problem. Chip fuse. Please replace IC. And also the program hidden.
Programmer says chip fuse.
So I will show you how to replace the flex and how to remove the IC and how to jumpering also.
Now copying the chip data. This is the new dot projector flex. Copying old data to the new chip.
Now we need to open, remove the flex, remove IC, jumpering, and we need to soldering there with the dot projector.
Now we are trying to remove dot projector from the metal shield to replace the dot projector flex.
Now we need to remove the flex with hot gun.
You are viewing a microscopic view. Apply heat through hot gun at 160 degrees. This is the dot projector. Cleaning this. Remove the mini IC and make it short. Installing dot projector to new flex. Installing it to front camera panel. Checking the chip through JCID. It's normal. Installing the phone. Checking the Face ID. It's working fine. And that's it. You've successfully repaired iPhone 10 Face ID problem. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.